Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Django on your laptop step by step. So if you want to start web development using Python Django, then watch this video till the end. First, we need to check whether Python is installed on our laptop or not, because Django works on Python programming language. So open command prompt and type python -- version. If Python is installed, then it will show the version. If Python is not installed, then open your browser and search Download Python. Open the official Python website and download the latest version. While installing Python, make sure you select the option Add Python to Path. Now again, open command prompt and type pip install Django. This command will install Django in your system. To check Django is installed successfully or not, type Django admin -- version. If it shows the version number, then Django is installed successfully. First, open Visual Studio Code on your laptop. Then go to the Terminal section and click on New Terminal. Now type the following command to create a new Django project. Type pi-m Django startproject project1. This command will create a new Django project named project1. Now go inside the project folder by typing cd project1. After that, we need to run the Django development server. So type the following command, manage.py runserver. Now press enter. This command will start the Django development server. Now open your browser and type http://127.0.0.1:8000. Now you can see that your Django project is running successfully in Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.